Imagine waking up one morning to a transformed night sky. The familiar twinkle of Venus is gone, replaced by the imposing glow of Jupiter. Mars, once a distant red dot, now dominates the heavens. This isn't science fiction, it's a thought experiment, a cosmic game of musical chairs, where the planets in our solar system have switched places. This essay delves into the fascinating and often chaotic consequences of such a planetary swap. We will explore the new dynamics of our solar system, examining the effects on orbits, climates, and even the potential for life on Earth and beyond. Our journey begins by rearranging the celestial chessboard and observing the ripple effects of our actions. Fasten your seatbelts as we are about to embark on an exhilarating ride through the cosmos. Before we dive into the specifics, it's essential to understand the underlying scientific principles. Our solar system is a delicate balancing act, a cosmic dance choreographed by gravity. The Sun, with its immense gravitational pull, dictates the movements of all other celestial bodies within its domain. Each planet occupies a specific orbit, a path dictated by its mass and distance from the Sun. This delicate equilibrium ensures the long-term stability of our solar system. However, if we were to swap the planets, we'd be disrupting this balance, setting off a chain reaction with potentially catastrophic consequences. The consequences of such a swap wouldn't be limited to mere changes in the night sky. The orbits of planets could become erratic, leading to collisions or ejections from the solar system altogether. Let's delve deeper into the new cosmic order and see how our planets fare in their unfamiliar territories. Let's imagine a scenario where the inner rocky planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, switch places with the outer gas giants, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. In this new configuration, Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, would be uncomfortably close to the Sun. Its massive gravitational influence would disrupt the orbits of its inner neighbors, Mercury, Venus, and Earth. Earth, finding itself in the outer regions, would experience a dramatic change. Its once temperate climate would turn frigid as it receives significantly less solar energy. Our planet, accustomed to a certain orbital rhythm, would now be subject to the gravitational tug-of-war between the Sun and the nearby gas giants. This new cosmic order wouldn't be a peaceful coexistence. It would be a chaotic dance of celestial bodies struggling to find a new equilibrium. Earth, in its new distant location, would be a very different planet. Our home, once teeming with life, would become a frozen wasteland. The once vibrant blue oceans would freeze over, locking away the lifeblood of countless marine species. The seasons, as we know them, would cease to exist. Earth's axial tilt, the reason for our seasons, would be insignificant compared to the vast distances it would cover in its new elongated orbit. Life, as we know it, depends on liquid water and a relatively stable climate. In this new reality, the chances of survival for most of Earth's species, including humans, would be slim to none. Our planet would become a stark reminder of the delicate balance that makes life possible. The gas giants Jupiter and Saturn would be the powerhouses in this new solar system. Their immense gravitational pull would dictate the movements of the inner planets, turning their once stable orbits into unpredictable paths. Jupiter, now much closer to the Sun, would experience a surge in its atmospheric activity. Its iconic Great Red Spot, a storm that has raged for centuries, would likely intensify, becoming even more prominent. Saturn's rings, a breathtaking spectacle in our current solar system, would be affected too. The increased gravitational influence from the Sun and nearby Jupiter could disrupt the delicate balance of ice and rock particles that make up the rings, potentially distorting their shape or even scattering them entirely. The gas giants, once benevolent guardians of the outer solar system, would become dominant forces shaping the destiny of their celestial neighbors. Section 6. Inner planets transformation: Venus, Mars, and Mercury. The inner planets Venus, Mars, and Mercury wouldn't be spared from the chaos either. These planets, each with their own unique characteristics and histories, would face unprecedented changes. Their close proximity to the Sun and the gravitational tug-of-war from the gas giants would make their existence incredibly turbulent. Venus might see its already extreme temperatures soar even higher, becoming even more inhospitable. Mars might experience a slight warming effect, potentially thawing some frozen water reserves. However, its thin atmosphere would likely be stripped away by the solar wind, reducing its habitability. Mercury, closest to the Sun, would bear the brunt of increased solar activity, risking ejection from the solar system. The inner planets, once distinct worlds, would be at the mercy of the new cosmic order. their fates hanging in the balance. Section 7. Moons and rings caught in the cosmic shuffle. The planetary swap wouldn't just affect the planets themselves, their moons and rings would also be caught in the cosmic shuffle. This cosmic dance would have far-reaching implications, altering the very fabric of our solar system. Saturn's rings, as mentioned earlier, could be distorted or scattered due to the gravitational tug-of-war between the Sun and Jupiter. The gravitational forces at play would stretch and pull the rings, creating a mesmerizing yet chaotic spectacle. This disruption would be a spectacular sight, with the once orderly rings transforming into a chaotic dance of ice and rock. The particles that make up the rings would collide and scatter, creating a dynamic and ever-changing display. Moons, too, wouldn't be spared. These natural satellites, which have orbited their parent planets for eons, would find their paths dramatically altered. Those orbiting the gas giants could be flung out of their orbits or sent on collision courses with other celestial bodies. The gravitational interactions would be unpredictable, leading to potential collisions and ejections. The delicate balance that keeps moons in their respective orbits would be thrown into disarray, leading to a celestial game of billiards with potentially catastrophic consequences. The moons could crash into each other or be sent hurtling into the vastness of space. The moons and rings, often overlooked in the grand scheme of our solar system, would serve as stark reminders of the far-reaching consequences of disrupting the cosmic balance. Their movements and interactions would highlight the intricate and delicate nature of our celestial neighborhood, emphasizing the importance of stability in maintaining the harmony of the cosmos. Section 8. The delicate balance, a symphony of gravity. Our thought experiment highlights the delicate balance that governs our solar system. Each planet, moon, and asteroid plays a crucial role in this cosmic ballet, their movements orchestrated by the invisible hand of gravity. Disrupting this balance even slightly can have profound consequences. Our hypothetical planetary swap demonstrates the potential for chaos and destruction when the established order is tampered with. The reality is that our solar system, while seemingly stable, is in constant flux. Asteroids collide, comets streak through the cosmos, and planets exert their gravitational influence on one another. However, these events occur over vast timescales, allowing the solar system to maintain a semblance of equilibrium. Our thought experiment serves as a reminder of the incredible forces at play in our universe, and the need to appreciate the delicate balance that allows our existence. Section 9. Conclusion. Reflections on a cosmic thought experiment. Our journey through a hypothetical solar system, where planets have swapped places, has been a thought-provoking exercise. This imaginative scenario has allowed us to explore the vast possibilities and the inherent unpredictability of the cosmos. We've witnessed the potential for chaos and destruction, but we've also gained a deeper appreciation for the delicate balance that governs our own solar system. The reality is that such a planetary swap is highly improbable. The vast distances and the specific conditions required make it nearly impossible. The laws of physics ensure that planets remain in stable orbits, preventing the kind of chaos we imagined. By exploring these hypothetical scenarios, we push the boundaries of our knowledge and challenge our understanding of the universe. So the next time you gaze up at the night sky, appreciate the intricate dance of our solar system, a testament to the underlying order in the cosmos.